Okay, so we spent a lot of time on this bottom position of the swing, kind of learning how to position ourselves and deal with a weighted object moving. We need to work on finishing that position into the top. Okay, so we have the bottom of a swing and we have the top of the swing. The top of the swing is just a plank position, butt squeezed, abs tight, with your arms extended. I'm not leaning back. I'm not squatting the bell up. I'm just finishing in a nice tall position, butt turned on, abs turned on, and the bell is floating there. Okay. So the way we can start to kind of bridge the gap between the bottom position and the top position is what's called, I call a power swing. It's also called a dead start swing. So I'm going to show you what it is, but I'm going to show you a couple bridges to it. All right. So we have the bottom position, tilt the handle, hinge back. I'm going to hike it back, just like the hike pass. And then instead of letting it fall forward, I'm going to drive my feet through the floor, finishing in a plank position, and then letting it float up. As it comes back down, I'm just going to catch it back between my hips and let it fall back to the ground. All right, in real time. Hike, stand, catch, down. Hike, stand, catch, down. Pretty fast, right? What you don't want to do is when you're catching it back down, just let the bell hit the ground. If I threw an egg to you, you wouldn't just catch an egg like that, otherwise it would break. You'd soft hands catch it in position. Same thing here. I'm not just, that's how you get hurt. You let it fall back between your legs like a pendulum or a hike pass. Catch, back down. You absorb the load. This power swing or dead start swing is the same thing. Catch, down. Catch, down. Catch, down. Okay? And there's a little bit of a timing component to it. That's the goal of this, is to practice that. You're not going to be great at it, at first, but you're practicing it. Plank position, catch, reload. Okay, spending enough time on the hike pass and the pendulum swing will help you get more comfortable with this. So if we were putting some of these drills together, this is what it would look like. Hike pass, pendulum, hike pass, pendulum, hike, catch. And down. Last thing, don't worry about how high it goes. You actually don't want to be really high here. You're just letting it finish right in front of you. The higher that bell goes, the more you're going to try to anticipate it down, the more it's going to kind of screw you up. So just keep your hands up in front of you. Here's what it looks the way I would suggest doing it. Notice just keeping it in front of me, and the distance is much smaller. Okay, so that is a long-winded tutorial of the dead start swing or the power swing.